Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we will reveal to you how you can turn on or turn off notifications for your spreadsheets and documents on Google Sheets. For example, if you'd like to get notified whenever a new change has been applied to your document or spreadsheet. So let us show you really quickly how to do that. It is very simple, guys. So head over to your spreadsheet on Google Sheets. Make sure that you're logged in with your associated Google account. And here at the top, select Tools. And from that following drop-down menu, hover your mouse over Notification Settings, and here to the right, select Edit Notifications. And here below, simply choose how often you would like to receive these notifications, and also how you would like to get notified, for example, via email here or that one, or for example, whenever a user submits a form or changes are made. So I will leave it at that. And once that's done, simply confirm by clicking on Save here. And that's basically it. That will add this notification rule to the given spreadsheet. So you may, for example, edit it or delete it here, or close that window by clicking on Done here. And that's basically it. Additionally, guys, you may also enable notifications for comments that have been posted to your spreadsheet if you're using a spreadsheet with other users. So to do that, click on Tools here, hover your mouse over Notification Settings again. And after that, select Comment Notifications. And here simply select the type of notifications you'd like to receive from comments, like all comments or comments for you or none. And confirm that by clicking on OK here so that these changes may be applied. And that's how we do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you next time on our channel.